Do you find yourself relying on psychic healers and channels to take certain decisions in your life or even to forge an opinion upon a certain subject? That is not sovereignty. That is literally relying on other people to tell you what you can believe in, what is the truth and what is not the truth. I completely understand because I used to do that many, many years ago until I actually understood how to connect and trust my own channel. So now I hardly listen to psychic and to other intuitives because I can receive my own guidance, and it is very high level guidance that not only comes from directly source frequency, God frequency, but also that connects me to my own spirit guide, my own soul, so I can understand what is going on with the awakening process, also with my own soul, my own human incarnation, and what I need to be doing for my mission. I would love for you to be able to anchor more deeply into your own sovereign soul blueprint by activating your connection. So join me for my workshop, The Foundation of Channeling, and I will teach you how to do that so you can rely on your own heart and your own channel to make your own decisions and forge your opinions.